Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a foundation review. So this is a foundation that I've heard a lot of people talk about. I have never tried it. I don't know why I've never tried it because it's literally $5, and so I'm really hoping it's what everyone has said it is, because a $5 foundation versus my favorite $40 Makeup Forever Foundation HD stick, you know, we're saving quite a bit there. So this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I have the shade Porcelain, of course. Comes in a bottle just like this. I have not tried it at all yet, and the claims on here say that it will eliminate flashback, which I think for the average consumer is really not that big of a problem. You're not taking that many photos of yourself every day. But it helps eliminate white particle reflection. And it was tested under 7 conditions with top smartphone models. I don't know who a smartphone model is, but good for them. And it was tested with and without flash. So some of the really great things about Wet n Wild as a brand, they're not testing any of their products on animals any longer. They're vegan. They're cheap, so you can find them at any drugstore. I think they're at Walmart, CVS, and Walgreens. So they're very accessible, they're very affordable, and in general I think their products, you know, give a nice little refreshing touch to the makeup industry, which is flooded with overpriced product at the moment. So we're going to go ahead and try it out. I'm going to apply my foundation, and then I'm going to apply the rest of my makeup quickly off camera, and then we're going to do this vlog style. So I'm going to take you with me to a couple places today, show it in a different light. Okay, so I've opened it, and it has like a little spatula on it. The foundation looks very watery, which I like. If it's not going to be a stick foundation, I prefer a watery foundation like this. So show the texture right here. Pretty watery. It looks really nice. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my beauty sponge. Smells like Play-Doh kind of. And I'm going to go ahead and do half of my face so that you can see really how much coverage we're getting compared to natural skin. So I've been moving my face around because I'm trying to see what it feels like. I think you don't want to have a really heavy foundation, especially in the summertime when it's really hot outside. So I like foundations that move with the skin really well. The coverage is pretty great. I have no concealer on right now, so I just used the foundation as concealer, and I think it looks pretty nice. I would say the finish is matte, maybe satin. I mean, it has a tiny bit of dewiness to it. So let me go ahead and do the other side of my face, and then we'll zoom in and take a look to the pores. I have one layer of the foundation on both sides of my face, and I wanted to zoom in to kind of show the pores and what we're working with here. So I think the foundation is nice, especially for $5 so far. I'm enjoying it. I would say compared to other foundations I've tried, this is kind of like Makeup Forever HD liquid foundation in that it's very blurring to the face, so it kind of eliminates lines, eliminates pores, and it's got kind of a powdery finish to it, so nothing super shiny, nothing super matte, just kind of in between. Looks like I'm already powdered. I definitely am not. Keep in mind I have dry skin, so for me my skin can tend to look a little bit on the drier side anyways, but I would say that the color worked out pretty well. It's got a nice yellow undertone, which I appreciate. If you go over an area and then you want to apply a little bit more onto the same area, I do feel like the foundation is not the best at layering. Do you see how that's going on? It won't really blend over the skin super easy. It kind of gets blotchy if you try to apply multiple layers. See, then it goes again. So I would say as far as layering, it might not be the best. And then even when you do, it's not like you're getting a ton of extra coverage. Ugh. Yeah, the blotchiness, it's not blending out really well. It kind of just skips over the skin, but we'll see how it goes with the rest of the makeup on, and then take a little second glance there, go through the rest of the day, check in to see how it wears. Be back in a few. Okay, so this is gonna be my final check-in for the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. My sister had some thoughts.
It's crusty. No, it's just real dry right here.
I'm zooming in. Yeah,
I agree.
the lines of my face are accentuated with
Yeah,
this
like the
foundation.
wrinkles like show up a lot more.
You can even see when I'm not,
And
you can still see the lines.
Yeah, and you're young, so this is not good.
Mom, can we just...
And you're young, and this is not good.
Oh I love it. Okay, so I would say purchase if you have very oily skin.
Yes.
Because it's $5. I mean, it's
Right.
Wet n Wild.
It
It's
looks like
drugstore.
it's probably too dry and powdery for your skin.
Exactly. It's a powdery finish, I'd say. My normal foundation's a lot dewier.
Oh yeah. I would agree.
I swear. Okay. Bye-bye now.
Peace out.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, right?
Subscribe. Do it. Look at my foundation.